Here I have taken a head of fish which I have nicely cleaned it. You could take any fish, or instead of taking its head, you could take fish pieces as well. Add 1 cup grated coconut in a mixer jar. Add in 1 small size onion, 1 tomato, garlic, 3 to 4 green chilies, 1 tablespoon coriander seed. Add 2 to 3 dry red chili. If you don't have dry red chili, add 2 tablespoon red chili powder. Add water and make a fine paste of it. If you are using frozen coconut, add warm water while grinding. It will help to make smooth paste. Make sure that the paste should be very smooth, soft and silky, then keep aside. Add 2 to 3 tablespoon oil in a cooking pot. Once oil heats up, add curry leaves and tirpal, which is also called Szechuan pepper. If you don't have tirpal, skip it. After that, add in minced garlic and saute it. When it changes its color and when you feel a nice aroma from it, then add coconut paste which we kept aside. And simultaneously add into it 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, salt as per taste, and fish. And if you want, you could add adequate amount of water into it, and then cook this onto a low flame for around 10 to 15 minutes. Now add in raw mango to it. You could also grind this with coconut. If raw mango is not available, then add 1 tablespoon amchur powder. After that, take 1 tablespoon rice flour, add water into it and make slurry of it, and add this into the curry. This is only to make its consistency thick. If you feel the curry is getting thin, so you could add this mixture, otherwise skip it. After adding this celery, cook it few more minutes. When you see oil on the top of its surface, it means it's done and ready. Then add in coriander leaves and dish out. This curry goes wonderfully well with rice, and if you find my videos interesting, give a like to my video and subscribe to my channel, and please watch my other videos too. Thank you for watching.